Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we're going to work on this, I think it's a 41 Ford Woody I got from a subscriber with three other cars, and he asked if I would customize this one. So I sat around and thought, I was tired of every time I turned around there was another General Lee coming out. So I decided, what would Uncle Jesse have driven in the day? Being an old moonshiner, I come up with Uncle Jesse's Midnight Runner. Stick around, let's have some fun. Had one post on it with a tab from the body in the back holding it on. Up the post so when it goes back together, it goes back together easy. Tapping it out for the 256 button head screw. Where we're going here, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Here's our metal piece going into our favorite stripper. Here I'm putting in our axle tube. Make sure they're lined up, pressed down into the bed of CA glue. A little dab on top. I later squirted a little baking soda on it. Here's our new off-road tires. Got some casting lines on it. I dealt with them with a file before sanding the whole car down. As I said, I sanded it all down. Here's our windscreen. Getting a dip in the pledge. Back end held suitcases or something, some kind of travel cases. So I used a little burr, ground it out, because I was going to replace it with the moonshine jug. Here's our big gallon jug of Uncle Jesse's finest.
Primer on all the pieces.
I like when sanded with 220 on this plastic piece, just to give it some teeth to hold the paint and primer. I know. Got to fire that cameraman. I'll get somebody good eventually. I used a pearl black Createx paint. I didn't want to go with the jet black, because everybody knows the gray black color is better for hiding at night. I detailed the bottom. Re-chrome the wheels. Here's everything all ready to be put back together. This is what we started with, a Hot Wheels 1941, I think, Ford Woody. This is what I ended up with. Customized 41 Ford Woody called Uncle Jesse's Midnight Runner. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opa and Uncle Jesse saying goodbye. Ready to get our shine on.